Assalamu alaikum class 6. This is your computer class. Today our chapter is managing file and folder. In this chapter we have two topics. How can you select more than one file or folder on the desktop and write the shortcut keys for achieving the following result. First, how can you select more than one file or folder on the desktop? We select more than one file or folder on the desktop using with Shift plus arrow keys or Control A. Go to the desktop. Select one or more files. Select anywhere. Press the Shift key and arrow keys. Now you can see you can select more than one file and folder and click on the blank space like this. We are going to normal way and press the Control A command. Control A and select all the file and folder on the desktop. Use the escape key or click now. How can you select more than one file or folder on the desktop? We select more than one file or folder on the desktop using with Shift plus arrow keys or Control A. Write the shortcut keys, achieving the following result. Cut, Control X. Copy, Control C. Paste, Control V and select all, Control A. Go to the desktop, use this command. Control X. Select the file and folder, press Control plus X and change the place. Use the paste command or Control V for paste. And use the copy command. Select the file and folder, use Control C and use Control V or Control or paste command. And use the Control A command. Press Control and press A. This is the use of Control A command. Select all. We use the Control X command for cut the text file and folder. We use the copy command used for copy and use the paste command transfer the copy file and select Control A command. We select the more than one file and folder. What we done in this class, how to you select more than one file or folder on the desktop and write the shortcut key for achieving the following result. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum students of class 6. Today our chapter is managing file and folder. In this chapter we have one topic today. Write down the step to delete a file. Write down the step to delete a file. Select the file. Click File option on the menu bar. Click the Delete option. Click Yes to confirm deletion of the file. Go to the desktop. Select the file and right click. Select the Delete option. This is the confirmation option. Yes. Select the folder. Right click on the folder. Use Delete option and click the confirmation. Yes. This is the way to delete a file. Select the file, click File option on the menu bar, click the Delete option, click Yes to confirm deletion of the file. Another way to delete a file or folder. Select the file or folder. Click the Delete button on the keyboard. We can delete a file or folder in easy way. Go to the desktop. Select the file. This one. And click the Delete button on the keyboard. And press Yes to confirm. Select any folder. Select the Delete button or press the Delete button on the keyboard and Yes to confirm. Our file or folder is deleted. Delete a file or folder in simple way. Select the file or folder, click the Delete button. You can delete a file or folder in easy way. What we done in this class? Step to delete a file or folder. Thank you.